when your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet.
To my groom, dear Derek, I never believed that I would meet a man as incredible as you. You are the kindest, most understanding, loving, funny, and charming person that I know. You are my reason to look forward to each and every day. You make me want to be the best version of myself. You encourage me when I need it, believe in me when I don't, understand me more than anyone, and listen to me even when I'm complaining. As your wife, I promise to love you unconditionally, support you in everything you do, trust you with all of my being, believe in you, dream with you, laugh with you, comfort you, and be the best mother to our children that I can be. There is no one I would rather spend this incredible life with. I anxiously await the beginning of this next chapter of our lives together as husband and wife. Love, your bride.
Maybe just the touch of a hand.
Heidi, 2 years ago today, we sat in a bar in Cedar Rapids with our friends, sharing our first few amazing months together. It was that night we shared our first I love you. It's incredible to see how close we've become since that moment 2 years ago. You are my inspiration, my strength, and the person who makes me want to be better, do better, and try harder. It is because of that I knew you were the person I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. Before we share our I do's, I want to share our last time as boyfriend and girlfriend and tell you once more, I love you. I cannot wait to have you as my wife. Love, Derek.
Where we are, when my hair's all but gone and
These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and tears of joy. And lastly, these are the hands that even when wrinkled with age, will still be reaching for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch of these hands.
I know you will still love me the same, 'cause honey, your soul could never grow